Hi, welcome back to Like Mother, Like Daughter. I'm Twyla, and I've got my Ivory Clasp subscription box to open for you. It's a purse subscription, a designer handbag subscription. What? So if you don't know about Ivory Clasp, it is a designer handbag subscription. It is $49 a month or $49 every quarter, meaning you can decide to do it once a month or once a quarter, but it's $49 for each bag. And it is an extensive profile, so it's kind of cool in the fact that you get a designer bag valued over at $100 for $49 a month. And you can either have them to pick it out for you, or you can wait and pick it out for yourself. So I picked mine out for this month. Let's open it up so you can see. $49 includes shipping, and I believe they can ship to Canada, but you would have to email them to find out what the shipping fees are to ship internationally. The extensive profile you can either do two ways. They will send you an email when it comes time to get your bag, and they will say, hey, here are the bags that you have to select from this month from your profile. Or if you don't select within 72 hours, we'll pick one for you. Now, if you don't like any of those bags that's in there, you can skip it. You can just say, I don't want to do it this time. But I picked this bag, which is a With 212 bag. It is a Central Park Satchel, valued at $108. And isn't this a gorgeous bag? I think this is a very classic style. I love that it has the feet on the bottom, and that it has a zipper on the front. There's the stripe design inside. I'm going to pull all the guts out. Okay, so I got all of the packaging off of it. Here is the back side. Here is the front side. This is a really nice bag. It does come with the shoulder straps. And it came with a bag cover so that you could put your bag inside of this wrap when you're not using it to keep it clean. The inside of this bag, this Central Park Satchel, has a striped lining. There's the zipper pocket here, and then there's two pockets, open pockets on the side. I really like this. I think it goes good with my style. And so that's why I chose it. I do like that I'm able to choose if I want. And if I'm too busy, I can let them pick it. They still have the return policy, so if you're not happy with your bag, you can return it immediately and get a refund, or they will pick out a new bag for you. So I'm really excited about this. You know, I'm not the kind that goes out and buys a new purse every season, but I think with Ivory Clasp, it makes it fun for that to happen because I don't have to go pick them out. I can wait for my email and do it, or I can just let it go and they'll pick it out for me. So I do get this every quarter. I think here shortly I'm going to switch it to monthly just because these also make really great, really awesome birthday, Mother's Day, Christmas gifts, graduation gifts. So if there's someone that you know that loves designer handbags, this would be a really great subscription to get them a month or two or three, or just start them on it. Just get them. This is perfect. This is perfect. I really like this. It's really great with my style. So if you're interested, I will link all of their information below, ivoryclasp.com. I do have a referral link down below. If you're interested, you can use that to get 20% off of your first bag. If you do use that referral link and that code, I also get 20% off my next bag. So, but if you're not into that, totally understand, no big deal. Just go to ivoryclasp.com and check it out there. I'm loving my bag. Can't wait to put my stuff in it. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Come back and see me again. Have a great day. Bye.